Hey guys, welcome to our channel,
RV for four.
Today we're going to take a look at the Grand Design Momentum 320G. So here's the layout for this fifth wheel. And one of the things I love about this fifth wheel is that it's a toy hauler.
For more that I don't like those big RVs, guys, I love this one.
And so does Gabriel. This is probably Gabriel's favorite. So here's the specs. If you want to pause the video anytime, this would be a great place to do it.
What I love about this one is the front nose. I guess it helps you a lot with aerodynamic. Also, this one have some lights, headlights, that can help you at night just to look nice on the campground.
Yes, and I love this the storage underneath here.
We have the 5500 calming generator, and we also have the space to the left of it with some batteries. I believe you can storage anywhere from 2 to 3 batteries in there, also help you with the power.
And if you don't need a generator, there's always storage for bins and whatnot that you need up there.
This RV, what I like about it also is the size. You can tell it's a huge RV. I love that underbelly storage, and you can see on top of it is the frame aluminum.
Right, and I love the fact that because it's underneath there, it goes from one end to the other end of the RV.
This one have to the right of it, right quick. You can see the switch off battery. They told me it's pretty cool, just so you don't leave any of your battery running, so you run out of power.
Yeah, that's a good point. Outside here, we have the connect for the TV. I personally don't like where it's placed. I think that once that door is open, it's just a bad location for it.
Also, one thing that I'm not happy with or friendly, love the window though, but the fact that the slice on this side to the right of it, I think it minimizes the space outside.
On your campsite.
On your campsite, yeah.
Yes.
This is the entrance to the garage / bunk / movie theater /
teen hauler
play area.
Yeah. One of the things I like about the travel trailer is the fact that with that backspace there, you do have a lot of option. We did put the price here, but always make sure that you check with your dealer.
I love the colors. I love even though a lot of people don't like the colors, we love the patterns and the lines, but I love it. I love also the fact that warranty, you got the 3 years on it. I think this is a whole year, what do they call it?
A full-time travel trailer.
A full-time travel trailer, but I think it's also all weather too, right?
It is, right.
Weather tech, and you have all the stuff that bring and come with it.
Yes. Going inside, guys, I mean, it feels oddly like a home. It feels homey. Even though it's very cozy, but it feels so nice.
We usually say it looks like an apartment. This one actually looks like a home.
Yes.
I mean, it's beautiful. And like I told you, I don't like this big RVs, guys, but I love this one. It just makes so much sense for a family like us of 4 or any other even smaller or bigger family.
And everything is so well placed. I love the fact that it has that double fridge, and you're going to see later on in the video how much space that has.
Like what I love about it also is the colors. Everything makes sense. Everything goes together. It's very homey, very inviting, and very cozy. I love the fireplace. I cannot stretch that anymore. I mean, fireplace is one of my favorite things. I would say.
Yes, I know.
Just features in the RV in general.
Yep. And I like the fact that you have a loft on the top, so for kids to hang out.
It's a little high for my taste, especially if you got smaller kids. You just got to be careful for them not to get up there. But for older kids like us, Natalia and Gabriel, 12 and 10, I mean, it's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
It's a lot of place. They can run around. They can play around. Love the garage area. We don't have personally toys, guys, but it makes a lot of sense. You can make like a workstation, office station, even just to enjoy as a family.
Yes. If you want to park your bikes or a small car, definitely a place that you can do so here.
A lot of things that the toy hauler provide you is that
flexibility.
It's flexibility, but you also have those patios.
So this garage comes in 2 sizes, 2 lengths. There's an 11 and then 11 foot and 14 foot and 6 inches.
I usually when we saw it on the RV show and a few RVers out there that I seen, you can fit a small go-kart in there and a couple of motorcycles, even 3 motorcycles.
And on the top you have the bunk, which is, I believe it's queen size, and it's good if you have the little ones, or even for yourself. If you, I actually saw a RV tour where they had the bunk as a master, the toy hauler area as a master, and they put the bunks, the kids, in the front, which is very exciting.
Yep, and you also have the connection of the TVs. I also believe you can do the washer dryer hookup. This is the weather, I would say, the temperature inside. Here's the washer dryer hookup there. I mean, it's pretty convenient, guys. You gotta, and I believe to the left, that's where you have the half a bath.
This is your half bath, and again, it's very convenient. You know, you can, if you're outside, you can just come in and wash your hands. You know, for the little ones also, they have a bathroom, so if they need to use it at night, you can. And even for yourself, if you're the one using this area as your own space.
One of the interesting things that toy hauler provide you, I mean, those seats, guys, it looks very like stiff on them, but they very, very comfortable.
And they also change into another bed, so if you need to.
And what I was saying about the patio, that ramp to bring the toys in, that's what works as a patio. You got some strings in there, and I would say like a fence that covers you. Pretty cool in there.
And here's another look just at the living space. Again, it's very comfortable. Those seats, I believe they all recline. And even though it doesn't have a dining room per se, you have a little leaf table that swivels around.
Well, it's amazing how they fit these huge TVs in there. You got the beautiful pantry, not so deep, but still you can make it work.
Yeah, it has a lot of shelves, so
I love the glass laminate there.
Yes.
It's pretty nice too. There's the limousine refrigerator.
Oh, it has so much space. Again, even though this is a fifth wheel, because it is the way that it's configured, it makes for a family just a great choice.
I love, like you were saying, it's just a lot of space on the door of the refrigerator, in and out. I mean, you got countertop. Love the backsplash.
Yes.
It's just beautiful. It makes a lot of, everything just go together.
Yes. And even though it kind of, when I went in, it kind of does feel tight, like Joaquin is saying, everything makes sense. The way that it is laid out is perfect to work.
I believe Furion is most of the brand that take over all these RVs as far as appliances. We have the space, the storage. I mean, the cabinet. I love the color.
You can put your dishes, your mugs. I mean, you name it.
Yes.
Tons of space. You know.
And that's what you like more.
Yeah.
The most, I should say.
Yeah, I'm kind of OCD as far as when it comes to where I store my things, and the fact that there are so many options over here is beautiful.
Even though I prefer an island though, but like I said, the kitchen seems a little tight. I like to be in the kitchen. So is my wife Ericka, and the kids sometimes come in there. So I'm just trying to picture 4 of us in that little kitchen. But I guess we'll make it work.
Yeah. So here you have your all your control panels.
For your slides, for your tanks, for the gas, battery, everything.
It's hidden behind the door, and it's up where the little ones can't reach it.
This could be like a coat or like like a storage when you come in. Some of them have some vacuum. I don't think we got a second to look at that.
Yeah, I'm not sure this one comes with a vacuum.
And I believe this is the second bathroom, which is a full bathroom. Yes. We got the first one by the garage. This one is a full bathroom. I mean, it's pretty spacious in there. Love the countertop. Love the shower. I'm 5'11".
Yeah. I don't like that it doesn't have just a solid shower enclosure. It just have a curtain, and I'm thinking that in an RV, that floor is going to get pretty wet.
And going to the master, which is on the front of your fifth wheel toy hauler.
Love the windows.
It's just beautiful. The lighting, the windows. I mean, it's a queen bed. It's very light, very, very inviting, very comfortable living. You can walk around the bed. Look at the storage.
The wardrobe space gives you so much room. I mean, if you have a his and her closet, you have enough space over here, maybe to put all of your clothes. I know we probably do.
Oh yes, we do. And like I said, with the mirrors, it's just beautiful. It makes the space look so huge, even though it is very big. You got the space that make it look even bigger.
Yes, it's a beautiful toy hauler in itself.
I just love the window and the bed is not so high up. I just love those tables next to the bed. If you notice, this one bigger than the other one. I think we don't even need to flip the coin. My wife, I know which one she's going to take.
So guys, here's the layout once again, just as a refresher for the Momentum 320G. like we said, it is a beautiful fifth wheel with much options. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to live the journey.
Live the journey, guys. Stay safe.